Good morning, folks. Anthony Special here with Hawkeye Traders. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day so far. Before I share today's opportunity with you, of course, I just need to disclaim whatever I do discuss is for information and educational purposes only. Please do not take anything as live financial advice, as it is certainly not. With that, the opportunity I want to share with you today was in the NASDAQ market. I want to show you how in a very passive manner, and those of you who know me, I've really built my own personal trade plans around stepping away from the computer. I learned on an early time scale of my trading career that I was a better trader when I was not in front of the computer. So with that, I typically look for higher time frame setups, and that's what I found here in the NASDAQ, and I want to show you what that looks like. So here you had a really great opportunity to take about a 500 point move in the NASDAQ futures index. I mean, now that's a really significant move. And this transpired over a really short period of time. Now, when I swing trade, I'm typically looking for my trades to transpire anywhere from about a week to three. Three is kind of long. Really, it's normally 1 to 2. So with that being said, when I have this particular setup, it gives me an opportunity to step away from the computer and let the market do what it's going to do. And with that, the probability of my success is typically very high. So as that transpires, I have an opportunity to lock in some very significant profit while really being detached from the computer. I call it passive income, passive trading for massive income. That's my catchphrase, if you want to call it that, because that's exactly what it is. I mean, I personally trade my account maybe less than 60 minutes a week, and earns north of six figures a year. So to me, it's really like a part-time job, side hustle that doesn't require too much. That really requires discipline and consistency. It doesn't necessarily require too much time. And with that, it gives you the opportunity to live while you're earning. And to me, that's the most important thing, to have the time, and the freedom to go out and do the things that I enjoy. I want to live my life. And I imagine that most of you probably want to do the same. So with that said, my quote for today and topic I want to discuss quickly was, if you're working on something exciting that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. And this is a quote from Steve Jobs, and you can, most of us at some point in our life, if we don't currently own an Apple product today, we have or we will in the future. Almost everybody, across the globe has been exposed to an Apple product at some point in their life, whether it was a Macintosh computer when they were a kid in elementary school, or if they're wearing an iPhone or an iPad or an iWatch or iPods in their ears or whatever. That vision for Steve Jobs pulled him into, what is recognizable today as the Apple product. And listen, whatever it is you're doing in your life, whether it's in your personal life or your professional life, your trading life, if it's something that really excites you from the pit of your stomach, it's going to draw you to it. It's going to just pull you into it. You don't necessarily have to force it. You don't need to be pushed into it. And that's how you know when something is the right fit, when it just works. Listen, everything in life has some push and pull and some difficult decisions along the way. But if it's something that you're forcing, it's not right for you, and that's when it's time to step away. But if it's something that's in you that just keeps pulling you to it, it's because the universe is telling you something. It's telling you that you belong there, and you belong in that path. So keep that in perspective as your days go on, your weeks go on, your life goes on. We're entering a new year here. We're exiting a year of difficulty and adversity. So, with that being said, just, let your vision inside of you pull you to the direction that you belong in. And don't fight it. Just let it be what it is. Now, guys, if that vision inside of you is pulling you towards the financial freedom that the market offers you, then you're in the right place. This is where you need to be. You need to be working with us here at Hawkeye Traders. I encourage you to click the link below and check out the Project V-Swarm webinar. It's going to give you insight to everything that we do here. We have really built a fundamental company that goes from education to indicators to services that you can follow along with professional traders like myself. We've built the full package here, and it's really a very complete company that we have here. So I encourage you and I invite you, check us out at hawkeyetraders.com. Click the link below. Check out the Project vSwarm webinar. It's well worth your time. Guys, with that, have a beautiful day, a blessed day, a profitable day, and I will talk to you tomorrow. Take care.